Assalamu alaikum, good evening, and a very welcome to everyone. Today I want to talk about online learning. Actually, the whole world is depend on online learning right now. Day by day is increasing, not decreasing actually. I truly to say that right now 80% teacher are comfortable to teach in online, and 60% are student are get teaching learning from online platform. Actually, before pandemic is not to increase some, but after the pandemic time is actually increasing right now day by day. Is a whole situation and whole trend by 16% divided day by day. It actually day by day increasing, not reducing actually. So Bangladesh is the poor country and overpolluted country, but the after pandemic is totally huge. Our students are depend on online learning. So online learning is not just a faculty right now. Is a education platform like YouTube, Google, and basically is AI. So AI is international apps right now. So when everyone just lagging in this speech, that time they are take help from AI. So AI is the most teaching platform right now. So when we are lagging, sometime we just get help, and even they are calculate the math also. So when we go to the online platform, we get some reducing cost and time management. But previous time we go to the institute to learning some new thing like language and grammar, math, physics, chemistry, and biology. But right now we are working and also learning new things from the online platform. So this is a big opportunity for us. We saving our time, we saving our money, we saving our whole thing. Online is a good opportunity, but is some laggings our life, because this is a huge problem. When we go to the online platform, we already enroll some shorts and video, funny video. So if we enter the this type of funny video, whole day our cover. So that's why is institute is other thing is better than the online platform. Offline platform is the stick point. Okay, you go there, and there you taken some notes, and give a speech. You ask some extra question if you thinking or lagging that time. But online is some issue, or if you they just give some information to you, but if you lagging or if you know something else, you don't ask question. That is the another problem. But offline platform is a good thing, like you are lagging some topic, you know some another topic, that time you just ask in teacher, and they will provide you, and you some writing some note from this topic, and sir asks to sir, and sir provide you a huge knowledge actually. So this is not possible in online, but online is offline is some issue also. Is all time day, they give you the day program. If you learning from night time, that time you're not possible to go the organization. Actually I was came here a fantasy there. I learning last two months I stay here and learning English, and I last 2 years I try to learn English from online, but it's not possible, because when I go to the YouTube platform, I enroll some shorts and funny video. So if I want to enter on funny video and play on funny video, a whole day my cover and pass this time. That's why I came here is a strict point. Okay, that's why I came here, and last 2 months I learning the huge of thing. Right now I'm talking in English in fluently, and after complete this course I want to go abroad, and go for abroad for master's purpose. And after complete my master's, inshallah I will come back in my country, and I will build up my career in Bangladesh and start a business actually. So thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.